request you also to, if you have any queries, Defense Minister, Defense Secretary, sir, and issues only, and no other issues.
So for an intergovernment agreement, which is, as I said, allowed by procedure, and for the 5 rounds of discussions which got reported to the Cabinet Committee on Security, post which the approval of the CCS was obtained, post which the agreement was done in full public view with the 2 defense ministers of France and India being there, has been done. Absolutely no procedure has been violated.
But the Air Force formally an expert. So even as based on experience in Gujarat, they have said that
Between 2004 and 14, entire decade, the UPA could not arrive at a decision.